What message does Durga Puja give us? Message of Durga Puja. Durga Puja is an important festival of Indian culture which is especially celebrated in Hinduism. This puja is known as a symbol of power, devotion, and victory. Celebrated every year from Shukla Pratipda to Dashmi of Ashwin month, the purpose of this puja is not only to worship goddess Durga, but it is a means to understand various aspects of life and apply it in our lives. Through this festival, we get many important messages, which empower our lives and inspire us towards progress. Victory of good over evil. The most important message of Durga Puja is that good always triumphs over evil. The form of goddess Durga is a symbol of power and destruction. By killing demon like Mahishasura, she proved that no matter how powerful the evil is, it has to accept defeat in front of good. This message inspires us to combat every kind of negativity in our life, such as fear, anxiety, pride and other evils. Importance of strength and courage. Durga Puja makes us realize our inner strength and courage. The form of goddess Durga not only symbolizes strength, but she also tells us that there is an invisible power within every person, which needs to be awakened at the right time. This puja teaches us that we should face our problems with courage and confidence. Teen spiritual advancement. Another important message of Durga Puja is that spiritual advancement is the highest goal of life. Through worship and sadhana, we can recognize our spiritual form. In this puja, we try to understand the true nature of our soul and get mental peace by devotion to God. Power of positivity and faith. Durga Puja also teaches that only our faith and positive thinking can overcome the difficulties of life. Only by having devotion and faith towards Goddess Durga, we get mental strength to deal with every crisis in life. Chanting mantras and puja vidhi during the puja not only gives us spiritual peace, but also gives us positivity and faith in life. Equality and collectivity. Durga Puja is a collective festival in which people from all sections of society worship together. It gives us the message that everyone in society should be seen equally and respected. In organizing the puja, people from all classes, castes and religions work together for the same purpose, which is a symbol of collectivity and equality. It teaches us that peace and prosperity can be achieved in any society only through mutual cooperation and love. Struggle and victory after struggle. The form of goddess Durga is not only that of divine power, but she is also a symbol of struggle. She is a goddess who fought many demons and finally won. This message gives us that every person has to face some kind of struggle in life, but if we try in the right direction, in the right way, then we can overcome our struggles and achieve victory. Importance of family and society. Every member of the family and society participates in Durga Puja. This puja gives us the message that the role of every member of the family and society is important. If we work together with each other, we can achieve great success. The spirit of unity, cooperation and brotherhood is developed through this puja, which are important parts of our life. Balance and restraint. Another important message of Durga Puja is that it is important to maintain balance and restraint in life. The form of Goddess Durga is a symbol of restraint, patience and balance. She teaches us that every person in life should complete her tasks with self-reliance and restraint. Excessive anger, pride, and chasing desires can make us lose balance. Respect for women power. Through Durga Puja, we understand the glory of women power. The form of Goddess Durga is a symbol of women power, which gives life to the world and is always ready to face crisis. Through this puja, the power and respect of women in the society is promoted, and it helps us to understand that women should also get equal opportunities and respect. Importance of time. Timing is of great importance during Durga Puja celebrations. Timing the puja, performing the puja on time, and maintaining punctuality inculcate discipline and responsibility in our lives. It teaches us that we should make proper use of time in our lives and complete every task on time. Unity in diversity. Durga Puja is a symbol of the diversity of India. It is celebrated in different ways in different provinces and cultures, but the purpose is the same: worship and honor Goddess Durga. It gives us the message that our cultural diversities may make us different, but we all have the same purpose: the well-being of society and the country. Spiritual and mental peace. Another important aspect of Durga Puja is achieving mental and spiritual peace. Through puja, we purify our mind and thoughts, which gives us inner peace. Worshipping Goddess Durga makes us realize that by being spiritually empowered, we can face the hardships of life and achieve mental peace. Durga Puja. Victory of good over evil. The main message of Durga Puja is that good ultimately triumphs over evil. Ma Durga's victory over the demon Mahishasura shows that if we follow the path of truth and dharma, no evil power can destroy us. Spiritual awareness. Through Durga Puja we get the message to work towards self-improvement and self-awareness. By worshipping Ma Durga, we can remove the darkness within us and purify the soul. Respect for power. This puja is not only the worship of physical but also mental and spiritual power. It gives us the message to recognize and respect the power within us. Positivity and courage. Durga Puja teaches us the importance of courage and positive thinking. We should never give up in the face of difficult situations. Importance of karma. The form of Ma Durga reflects hard work and purposeful life. It teaches us that in life we should perform our duties with full devotion and honesty.